Hello traders everywhere, Adam Hewison coming to you from the digital studios of MarketClub, and I'm going to share with you today 3 easy ways for you to put the trading odds on your side. Well, here we are at the home page of MarketClub, my home page, and as you can see, my name is clearly on here, and of course when you sign in as a member, your name would appear right here also. But just below that is one of the real treasures and jewels of MarketClub, and if you haven't seen it yet or you haven't used it, I highly recommend that you take a look at it. It's called Top Markets. Here we share with you top stocks, top penny stocks, top ETFs, top Forex markets, and top futures. So all the major markets are covered in one easy place for you to look. Now, how this works is very simple. We show you all the markets that are trending very, very strongly. So let's go to our top stocks. Click right here. And as you can see, you're presented with a series of trade triangles, and the list is quite extensive, going all the way down here. Now, if you're just looking at this today, you can see that we have a yellow box around a green triangle, a green weekly triangle. That indicates that this signal just occurred today. Now, as you know, we trade with the major trend using the monthly trade triangle, which is right here, and we use the weekly for timing. So timing-wise, these 3 markets definitely warrant you looking at them. So how you look at them is very simple. You simply go to your chart right here and click. So what we're looking at is a chart of NVIDIA. NVDA is the symbol. And it's plus 100 right here. And you can see that we had a signal at 13.19 to be a buyer. That's the major trend turned up on April 12th. We're currently trading at 14.99. So the trend is clearly on the upside. So if we scope this in closer and just show, let's say, the last 3 months, it gives you a much better picture. And then we put our weekly trade triangle in, which is easy to do. Just click here. Boom. And there you see the weekly trade triangle that came in at 14.80, and it's currently trading at 15. So that's a new high for this move here. Again, it showed up on the top stocks. That's something you can use every day. Just take a look at that. Take a look at the stocks. See if some of them fit your criteria, some markets you may be following or may not be following, and see how that works out for you. So let's just go back to our home page, and you just click on the Market Club. And here we are again at the home page. Now you can look at top penny stocks, top ETFs, top Forex, top futures, for example. If you're a futures traders, we cover all the futures markets, and you'll get some good signals using our program. Now, one of the other things you can do also with MarketClub is look at our trade triangle. So this is the second of putting the odds in your favor, finding good trades. Now here it's customizable. So we could say equity markets, volume greater than 2 million. I only want to trade liquid markets. And I want to look for new monthly trade triangles because that's what determines the trend. And I want to search just from today. Now it's still early in the day, so we may not get any or many at all. There's one right there. It's ING Group. That's the banking group. And it came in today right here, a green monthly at 9.56. It's currently trading at 9.61. So it's very close to the signal. Again, that's another way to look for winning trades using our trade triangle technology, which I highly recommend. Now there is another way. This is the third way, and that's with our Smart Scan. So we click here. And here you see a Smart Scan page come up, and you can see all of these different ways of looking for markets. There's approximately 24 different ways you can search for markets, just the criteria here, and then you can say, okay, let's say I want to see 52-week highs. We do this typically on a Friday, so 52-week highs. I want to use equity, and I want to view as bar charts, and I want to see, so there's 291, so I say I want to see the last price is less than $20, and the open interest greater than 2 million, and I'm just going to look at US exchanges. So I scan, so I have 291 charts to look at. It's a lot of charts, I think you'll agree, to look at. So I'm going to scan that down to the criteria that I've set, the custom criteria that I've set here, and it's taken it down to 8, which is, I think you'll agree, much more manageable. You can see what they are, and you can scope down here and see there's E-Trade, there's Applied Materials, Micron, Xerox, United Financial, lots of markets that are going up that you want to look at. So again, you can also view these in different ways. You can view them as candlestick charts, bar charts, which we're looking at right now, line charts, and a symbol list as well. So let's just do a symbol list, and that'll show you. I like the charts myself. That's because I'm very visual, but there's the symbol list as well. I hope you enjoy these 3 ways of looking for winning trades using MarketClub. Learn and earn with MarketClub, where members profit.